I want to get personal for 1 minute. How is your dating life? Where is your relationship status at? Because if you are single or if you are in a relationship that is draining all your energy and all your emotions, then I have something for you. My name is Tarina. I am a relationship coach. I am a follower of Christ, and I help women overcome their relationship issues and find confidence and security in themselves so that they don't need a man, but that they are fully prepared to become all they're meant to be to attract the right man and right person into their life. So if you want to learn more about that, I would suggest that you go get my book. It's called Wifey Prep. It's a workbook that you can actually completely immerse yourself in. It's supposed to teach you and to guide you and to help you. Okay, so it's not just something you're supposed to read and then put it down. It's something that you're supposed to really dive into to get all the wonderful benefits out of it. Okay, I created this to help women who feel insecure, who feel lonely, who feel like they may never find the right one, who feel like they want to become a better person. They want to prepare to be a wife. They want to know what it's like to be a wife. They want to just be more confident and secure in who they are. And they want to ask the right questions when they're dating so that they don't get trapped in a dead-end relationship, or so that they don't get their heart broken again. This guide is for women who just really want to find fulfillment and find love and peace within themselves. And so I created this workbook. I'm going to put the link below. So you just need to go click it and grab it and let it change your life. Take care.